Welcome back to Decorio Studio, your go-to destination for the latest in home decor and interior design inspirations. Today we are diving into a world of timeless beauty with our 15 Celtic Elegance inspired spring home styling ideas for 2026. We will explore how to blend ancient intricate patterns with the fresh, airy vibes of the spring season. Please remember to comment your favorite look below, like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more design magic. Transform your fireplace focal point by incorporating subtle Trinity knot motifs into your mantel decor. Use brushed gold or silver accents to catch the soft spring sunlight filtering through your windows. Complement the metalwork with fresh sprigs of eucalyptus and white lilies for a natural touch. This balance of symbolic metalwork and organic greenery creates a sophisticated seasonal transition. Replace heavy winter curtains with light, mist-hued linens that evoke the soft mornings of the Irish Highlands. Choose fabrics with delicate Celtic embroidery along the edges to add a touch of handcrafted luxury. These breezy textiles allow natural light to dance across your room while maintaining a sense of privacy. The soft gray and blue tones perfectly mirror the changing spring sky outside. Bring the lush textures of a Celtic forest indoors with tiered moss terrariums featuring smoothed river stones. Arrange these glass vessels on your dining table to create a vibrant, low-maintenance centerpiece. The deep emerald greens provide a stunning contrast against light wooden furniture or white tablecloths. This setup invites the rejuvenating spirit of spring growth directly into your heart of the home. Adorn your walls with oversized metal or wood carvings featuring the traditional Celtic spiral. This ancient symbol of growth and expansion fits beautifully with the theme of spring renewal. Opt for a matte finish to keep the look modern and understated within your living space. Positioning these pieces near a light source will emphasize the intricate shadows and depth of the design. Celebrate the wild beauty of the Celtic landscape by mixing purple heather with bright yellow gorse in rustic ceramic vases. These traditional blooms bring a pop of authentic color and a subtle honey-like fragrance to your entryway. Place them on a weathered oak console table to emphasize the rustic elegance of the style. The combination of wild textures captures the untamed spirit of a coastal spring. Soften your sofa with throw pillows featuring modern interpretations of Celtic cross-stitch patterns in pastel shades. Use high-quality materials like organic cotton or silk to elevate the tactile experience of your seating area. These patterns offer a geometric complexity that adds visual interest without overwhelming the room's palette. Mixing various sizes of these pillows creates a cozy yet curated aesthetic for the season. Introduce the warmth of burnished copper into your kitchen through hardware, hanging pots, or decorative trays. The reddish gold glow of copper mimics the early spring sun and complements cool-toned Celtic tiles. Pair these metallic elements with light-colored cabinetry to keep the kitchen feeling bright and spacious. Copper is a durable material that ages beautifully, adding a sense of history to a modern space. Incorporate natural slate coasters or stone-tiled entryways to ground your home in the earthy textures of the British Isles. The cool, dark tones of the stone provide a sophisticated backdrop for lighter spring decor elements. Use irregular shapes to mimic the natural paths found in ancient ruins and coastal cliffs. These durable materials are as practical as they are beautiful for high-traffic spring cleaning areas. Embrace the artisan craft of willow weaving by adding a statement chair or side table to your sunroom. The organic, flowing lines of woven willow reflect the fluid nature of Celtic knotwork. This lightweight furniture style is perfect for creating a relaxed, airy atmosphere as the weather warms up. Drape a light wool throw over the back for those cooler spring evenings. Create a unique gallery wall using framed prints inspired by the intricate art of ancient Celtic manuscripts. Use thin, dark frames to let the vibrant colors and complex gold leaf details stand out. This intellectual approach to decor adds a layer of cultural storytelling and elegance to your hallway. The gold accents will shimmer beautifully during the golden hour of a spring afternoon. Swap heavy wool tartans for lightweight cotton versions in shades of sage green, cream, and sky blue. Draping these over the foot of your bed or an armchair adds a classic touch of heritage. The structured lines of the tartan provide a pleasing contrast to the soft, floral elements of spring decor. It is an easy way to honor Celtic roots while keeping the home feeling fresh. Introduce small pieces of furniture or decorative bowls featuring shallow carved Celtic knots in natural oak. The warm grain of the wood brings a sense of life and sturdiness to your interior design. Oak was sacred to the Celts, making it a meaningful material choice for a symbolic home refresh. Keep the wood unfinished or lightly waxed to appreciate its natural spring-like texture. Update your glassware or window decals with delicate etched designs featuring circular Celtic patterns. When the spring sun hits the glass, it casts beautiful, intricate shadows across your floors and walls. This subtle detail adds a layer of hidden elegance that reveals itself throughout the day. It is a perfect way to incorporate heritage without cluttering your physical space. Set the mood with scents that evoke the Celtic countryside, such as earthy peat, fresh rain, and wild primrose. Place these candles in handcrafted ceramic holders with cutout knot designs to create moving light patterns. The olfactory experience is just as important as the visual when styling your home for a new season. These grounding scents provide a calming atmosphere during the unpredictable spring weather. Arrange your indoor herb garden in a circular Celtic knot pattern using small terracotta pots on a windowsill. Grow traditional herbs like rosemary, thyme, and mint to provide fresh scents and flavors for your spring cooking. This functional decor piece celebrates the cycle of life and the bounty of the earth. We hope you enjoyed these ideas, so please comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiration.